Akakiiko k'ishengyero k'ebyamagara kebembirwe chairperson wa Honorable Joyce Bagara kabandize kurambura irwariro rya Rukokere Sente ya kana aho ebyombeko bitari bimwe na bimwe biliyoni byombekwa.
Conveniences of heavy rainfall experienced in the months of December and November, we did not finish the work in time. So we requested for an extension of 2 months to be able to hand over the site.
Aba bagumize baza hirwariro rya Kilembe mines eryatirwa umutungo bw'umugera gwa Nyamwamba gubogo mu mwaka gw'2020 konga ko kuri yabire ryo kuombe kwa busyo mu mwanya musya na hati tichakakorwaga.
We are told by government that Kasese Kilembe hospital had been given 2 billion to reconstruct the hospital. It is true, even a team from the ministry came to look at where the hospital could be reconstructed. But the 2 billion is nowhere to be seen. I can't tell you we received the money, I can't tell you the money came, I can't tell you it was allocated given to another hospital somewhere else in the district. We don't know.
The community here, their expectation is that they're going to get services here. If the hospital had 82 staff and right now they have only 14, and out of 14 only 18 are medical, it's very, very concerning to us as members of parliament, to us as leaders, and I'm sure it's very concerning to the members of parliament in this area, because the expectation is that if the hospital was served by 82 staff and now there are 14, that means the services are actually minimal compared to what it was before.
Irwariro nerukora habareherire binjiko rwo districts mushanjo konka kwiharutwa rw'umuyaga buri cyumwe chikarugumubuteka bwacu.
We have observed a lot. People are very bitter, especially with this Kilembe. And me, as the area member of parliament from Abany'eishengyero, Kilembe does not only serve the people of Kasese. Kilembe is like a referral hospital.
Now that the government fund has been withdrawn. So the government fund is withdrawn. The JMS code, drug code for the credit line is also deactivated. So we can't access drugs from joint medical stores.
Honorable Joyce Bagara, chairperson w'akakiiko akajumirira bebembezi abajwanyize by'ubutegeki n'enshonga z'irwariro.
We've also had a lot of politics involved, and for us as a committee, we don't want to be involved in the politics, we just want to be involved in the services rendered to the people in relation to the promises made by government.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.